Today we got something in the mail, bro. Something from Jegs. Got a little problem with my car, bro. Now check, this is what it is. Got a little dead battery. Just reordered another one. Been having problems, but so this thing just keeps saying it's charged. It's fully charged. You watch the little green light go on. It's right there, fool. It's chilling at 100. But when I turn it on, this shit is toast, bro. This shit's clamped in there. It's been charging. Open the bad boy up. Hey, bro. Got it right here. Swear to God, if it turns on, bro, that's a trip. Oh, see, it don't. My shot's out, bro. I've been using this to jump it. This Noco Boost 12 volt 2000 amp GB70. This shit recommend, bro. Look, this shit even has a light, bro. Look at this. You're in the side of the road. Look at that. 3 options flashing. Fast strobing. This is a lifesaver, bro. I recommend anybody that doesn't have this to get it. Comes with the little pouch too, you know, and it's all chargeable by USB. So it's pretty tight, bro. This handles a lot. It handles even for diesels and trucks, anything with like a 6.0 liter, 8 liter even says. But yeah, bro, that's my problem, and today we're gonna fix it, bro. Show you guys a little unboxing of this real quick. Like I said, I ordered it from Jegs. Same type of battery I've always got. And there it is, bro. It's a non-spillable battery. It's the Braille. I went with the 11.5 pound this time, so I've gotten the 6 in the past. I've gotten the 6, I got the 9, and now I got the 11, bro. Something that's a little bit bigger, same length, same width, just a little bit bigger. Oh, look, got some Jag stickers, little decals. Got a little Jags little magazine. Hell yeah. But yeah, bro, I'm going something a little bigger just to help with the cold cranking amps. Look, so that shit's got 904 cranking amps. My other one I think was like 832 or something like that. But yeah, these things are ready to go, bro. These little Brailles are goated, bro. I'm gonna take out the old one though. Show you guys what I got. I'll compare the two on the sizes. Like I said, guys, these are racing batteries. Unplug this bad boy real quick. These are the racing batteries, so they have enough power. Like they could power up a car, fool, pretty much. There it is. This thing's got the cold. Dude, what the? It's hard to do this with one hand, bro. Straight up. Let me switch mounts real quick. Go POV. Need 2 hands for this. Take out the filter and take out the battery. Ching! There it is. Oh, look, they even gave me a sticker too. Look at that, keep charged. To maintain maximum life and performance, keep battery fully charged at all times. If the vehicle is not driven daily or will sit for more than 2 weeks, a Braille-proof charger must be used. If the vehicle is started and moved, but not driven. Let the vehicle run for at least 5 minutes to replenish the energy and used in starting. Damn. Now we're just gonna install the little terminals. Notice how the red one's a little bit bigger. This one's with the line. Red one's a lot bigger. So this is gonna go positive and negative. These two little Allens in there. And look, these things already come charged, so that's the cool part. You just gotta secure these bad boys in. We chillin'. That little side-by-side comparison. This thing's actually not that bigger. This one's a 9 pound and this one's an 11, so it's a little bit bigger, cold cranking amps, but it's not that much bigger, which is perfect. This is exactly what I needed. 11.5 lightweight AGM for race and extreme use. I'm telling you, bro, if you guys want to run a lightweight battery, Braille's your go-to. Number 1, baby. How to get this battery naked right here, how to take all this cover up on this battery. So yeah, this one got a 9 pound B129 with pulse cranking amps of 813. This one's got pulse cranking amps of 904, 11.5. And this one's the B14115. So this one should be a lot better. It should last a little bit longer than this one. The casing looks a little different too. This one's black, this one's silver. I don't know if that has nothing to do with it, but I don't think it does. But yeah, man, we chilling. Time to put this bad boy on. See how this thing goes. Oh, and the terminals are reversed on this too, so I gotta kind of flip it the other way. I don't think I'm gonna put protection on this one. I'll probably just give it a quick clean right here. Get that bad boy a quick clean right here, dog. Just put it like that. Hopefully it shouldn't mess it up. Be alright. This thing comes charged, so it should fill up right away. It's a little taller, so I'm a little nervous about the filter fitting in, but we'll see. Oh shit! Can't touch metal on metal. No, here touching metal to metal. Come on, fit. Yeah, it's gonna fit. Bada beam, bada boom. Let's give it the magic touch. He said these should come charged already, and I gotta just keep it on for like 5 minutes at least. Let's turn it on. Looks like everything's going on. Put this bad boy back on. See the first crank up. Money, dog. Take this bad boy out for a spin right quick, huh?